Unit 10. Have you ever been there? Page 64. Exercise 2. Conversation. My feet are killing me. Part A. Listen and practice.
It's great to see you again, Carlos. Have you been in Orlando long?
You too, Erin. I've been here for about a week.
I can't wait to show you the city. Have you been to the theme parks yet?
Yeah, I've already been to 3. The lines were so long.
Okay. Well, how about shopping? I know a great store.
Well, I've already been to so many stores. I can't buy any more clothes.
I know what. I bet you haven't visited the Kennedy Space Center. It's an hour away.
Actually, I've already been to the Space Center and met an astronaut.
Wow, you've done a lot. Well, is there anything you want to do?
You know, I really just want to take it easy today. My feet are killing me.
Page 64. Exercise 2. Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. What do they plan to do tomorrow?
Thanks, Erin. We can plan something for tomorrow.
Great. Have you been to a Cuban restaurant yet?
No, I haven't. But I've heard Cuban food is delicious. Let's have lunch at a Cuban restaurant tomorrow.
Good idea. I know a great little place on Orange Blossom Trail.
Cool. Maybe in the evening we can go listen to some jazz. Do you know a good club?
Sure, I've been to several. We can go to Casey's on Central. I've been there a couple of times. It's really good.
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
Page 65. Exercise 3. Grammar focus. Present perfect. Already, yet. The present perfect is formed with the verb have plus the past participle.
Have you been to a jazz club?
Yes, I've been to several.
No, I haven't been to one.
Has Carlos visited the theme parks?
Yes, he's visited 3 or 4.
No, he hasn't visited any parks.
Have they eaten dinner yet?
Yes, they've already eaten.
No, they haven't eaten yet.
Contractions.
I've equals I have. You've equals you have. He's equals he has. She's equals she has. It's equals it has. We've equals we have. They've equals they have. Hasn't equals has not. Haven't equals have not.
Page 66. Exercise 4. Conversation. Have you ever had a Cuban sandwich? Part A. Listen and practice.
I'm sorry I'm late. Have you been here long?
No, only for a few minutes. So, have you chosen a restaurant yet?
I can't decide. We can go to a big restaurant or have a sandwich at a cafe. Have you ever had a Cuban sandwich?
No, I haven't. Are they good?
They're delicious. I've had them many times.
You really like Cuban food. Have you ever been to Cuba?
No, but I went to college in Miami. I ate empanadas and rice and beans all the time.
Page 66. Exercise 4. Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. Where do they decide to go after lunch?
So, what would you like to do this afternoon?
Let's see. Have you ever been close to an alligator?
What? No, I haven't. Why?
There's a new alligator park that I haven't been to yet. I've heard it's very exciting. You can see alligators up close and take pictures with them.
Okay, let me just finish my sandwich. Maybe this will be my last meal.
Haha! Wow, I've never seen you this scared before.
Page 66. Exercise 5. Grammar focus. Present perfect versus simple past.
Have you ever eaten Cuban food?
Use the present perfect for an indefinite time in the past.
Yes, I have. I've had it many times.
No, I haven't. I haven't tried it yet.
Use the simple past for a specific event in the past.
I ate a lot of Cuban food when I lived in Miami.
No, I never tried it when I lived in Miami.
Have you ever seen an alligator?
Use the present perfect for an indefinite time in the past.
Yes, I have. I've seen a few alligators in my life.
No, I haven't. I've never seen one.
Use the simple past for a specific event in the past.
I saw a big alligator at the new park last week.
I didn't go to the alligator park last week, so I didn't see any.
Page 67. Exercise 5. Grammar focus. For and since.
How long did you live in Miami?
I lived there for 4 years. It was a great experience. How long have you lived in Orlando?
I've lived here for 3 years. I'm very happy here. I've worked at the hotel since last year. I love it there.
Page 67. Exercise 6. Pronunciation. Linked sounds. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice how final t and d sounds in verbs are linked to the vowels that follow them.
Have you cooked lunch yet?
Yes, I've already cooked it.
Have you ever tried key lime pie?
Yes, I tried it once in Miami.
Page 67. Exercise 7. Listening. Great to see you. Listen to Nicole tell Tyler about some interesting things she's done recently. Complete the chart.
Hi, Nicole. Great to see you. What have you been up to lately?
Hey, Tyler. Well, let's see. I went shopping at a discount store last week. It's called the Sports Discount Center. Have you ever shopped there?
No, I haven't. What's it like?
It's awesome. The prices are always very low. But when something's on sale, it's so cheap you can't believe it.
What was on sale?
Skateboards. I got a really nice one. It has a picture of the city on it.
Nice. Will you show it to me sometime? I love skateboard art.
Of course I will. And speaking of art, I went to the City Museum last week.
Oh, nice. I went there once when I was a kid.
Oh, cool. It's such a beautiful building.
Yeah. What kind of art did you see?
They had an exhibit of modern Mexican art. It was wonderful.
Oh, I love modern art. I definitely want to see that.
Well, don't wait too long. The exhibit ends next week.
Units 9 to 10. Progress check. Page 71. Exercise 4. Listening. I won a contest. Part A. Alyssa has just met a friend in San Diego. Listen to her talk about things she has done. Check the correct things.
Alyssa? What are you doing here in San Diego?
Matthew, what a surprise meeting you here. Actually, I'm here because I won a contest, and the prize was 1 week at the Seaside Resort Hotel, right on the beach.
Wow, that's fantastic. Just one night in that hotel costs over $400. Did the contest pay for your flight to San Diego?
Actually, I'm afraid of flying. I've never flown on a plane. But I didn't need to pay for the train fare from Los Angeles to San Diego and back.
That's great.
Yeah, it is. Oh, and I think I saw Mario Lopez here yesterday. You know, the actor.
Maybe you did. He was born here, you know.
Really? Wow, I'd love to meet him. I've never met a famous person.
Well, keep your eyes open, and maybe you will. Famous people sometimes stay at the Seaside Resort Hotel. I've heard that it's very beautiful and that there are lots of cool things to do there.
Oh, yeah. The hotel activities are lots of fun. I even tried windsurfing.
Oh, awesome!
Yeah, it was. But I did something stupid. I took my wallet with me and almost lost it. I'm always very careful with my wallet, and I have never lost it. It almost fell into the ocean. Luckily, I caught it.
That was lucky. Well, it sounds like you've really enjoyed your trip.
For the most part. I mean, I got sunburned, as you can see. But I'll remember this trip forever. I've even been posting on a blog. I'll email you the address.
Nice. I look forward to reading it. Well, enjoy the rest of the week.
Thanks, I will.